Welcome back to Cars Trends, where we explore the finest automobiles the world has to offer. Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane to revisit a true American classic, the 2005-2013 Chevrolet Corvette C6. Known for its distinctive design, potent performance, and remarkable value, the Corvette C6 has become an icon in the sports car world. So, let's dive into why this car remains a beloved choice among car enthusiasts and collectors alike. The Chevrolet Corvette C6's exterior design is a perfect blend of aggressive lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and classic Corvette styling. At first glance, the C6 immediately stands out with its sleek, sculpted bodywork and lower, wider stance compared to its predecessor, the C5. The sharp angles and sculpted fenders provide the car with a muscular, aggressive appearance, while the overall proportions maintain the iconic Corvette look. The rear end of the C6 features round taillights, a hallmark of the Corvette line, along with a quad exhaust setup that further amplifies its performance-oriented nature. A prominent front grille and slanted headlights lend the car an unmistakable face that continues the Corvette's long-standing legacy of aggressive styling. This generation marked a return to a more traditional Corvette design while also pushing the envelope in terms of aesthetics, making the C6 a timeless classic. Inside, the C6 Corvette continues to impress with a cabin that balances comfort and sportiness. While it's certainly not as luxurious as some of its European rivals, the C6's interior offers high-quality materials and an intuitive layout. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, offering a low-slung seating position that allows for a perfect view of the road ahead. The center console is neatly arranged with easy-to-reach controls for the infotainment system, climate control, and performance settings. Premium touches like leather upholstery, suede accents, and brushed aluminum trim add a touch of refinement to the interior, but the primary focus is always on performance. The C6 Corvette is known for being a driver's car, and the interior reflects this, offering supportive seating for both the driver and passenger while ensuring that the focus remains on the driving experience. Under the hood, the C6 Corvette is powered by a range of engines that provide exceptional performance. The base model is equipped with a 6.0-liter V8 engine that produces 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides plenty of power to propel the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds, offering sports car thrills for anyone behind the wheel. For those looking for even more performance, the Corvette C6 Z06, introduced in 2006, took things to the next level with a 7.0-liter V8 engine producing 505 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. This engine made the Z06 a track-ready monster, capable of achieving 0 to 60 mph times in the low 3-second range. The Z06 also featured a lightweight, reinforced chassis and larger brakes for superior handling on the track, cementing its status as one of the best American performance cars of its era. In 2008, the C6 received a significant upgrade with the introduction of the Corvette C6 Grand Sport, which combined the Z06's handling characteristics with the base Corvette's engine, creating a balanced sports car that appealed to both enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. The C6 Corvette's performance isn't limited to just straight-line speed. The car's handling is one of its standout features, thanks to its precise steering, low center of gravity, and balanced weight distribution. The C6 features an independent rear suspension, which provides a smoother, more controlled ride compared to older solid axle designs. The car's suspension system strikes a fine balance between comfort and performance, allowing the Corvette to handle twisty backroads with agility while remaining composed during high-speed freeway cruising. The Z06, in particular, comes equipped with a performance-tuned suspension system that allows it to handle track days with ease, providing exceptional cornering capabilities and stability. Whether you're carving up the twisties or pushing the limits on a racetrack, the C6 Corvette delivers a thrilling and dynamic driving experience that few cars can match. On the technology front, the C6 Corvette is equipped with a solid array of features, though it's not as tech-heavy as modern cars. The standard infotainment system includes a CD player, an available navigation system, and an upgraded sound system. While it may lack the cutting-edge tech features we see today, it was more than sufficient for the era, providing all the essential amenities that drivers expect in a performance car.